दोस्तों, I hope you are fine, doing well in your life. So we have just solved the problem of the day for 18th February. Go check out the video if you haven't solved that problem. Okay, so now let's start with the problems of LeetCode 75. As you know, we have already solved all the first problem of every topic. Now we will start with the second problem. We have already solved the second problem of array, string, two pointers, sliding window, prefix sum. Now we will start the second problem of HashMap. So let's start the problem. Before starting, I suggest you to go through the previous videos of LeetCode 75 series, which I have uploaded. That will help you a lot understanding the basics of every topic. Along with that, if you want, you can go through the videos of LeetCode problem of the day. You can follow me. You can follow me by subscribing my channel. I will upload every LeetCode problem of the day every day, right? So along with that, I have also created a WhatsApp group. The link which I have given in the description box. That group is for the coders only, right? So that will really help all of us. We can discuss multiple things, including the coding stuffs. Anything, like we can build our networks, we can build our community, we can do some freelance work, projects for our resume. So we can do a lot of things in a WhatsApp group. So that is the purpose of the group. So if you want, you can join that group also. That is open for all. Okay, so let's start with the problem. We will solve this problem in 3 steps, right? So first we will discuss the basics, details of the problem in a depth. Then we will discuss the native approach and try to optimize that native approach if possible, right? So the problem is unique number of occurrences. Actually, I have solved this problem. So let me remove this. Now, unique number of occurrences, the topic. This is an easy type of problem given a. So we have given a array of integer ARR will return true if the number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique. Okay, so we have given an array, right? So the occurrences of 1 is 3, occurrences of 2 is 2. sorry guys, occurrences of 1 is 3, so occurrences of 3 is 1. So the occurrences are also unique. That's what we need to see. In this, 1 is appearing one time and 2 is also appearing one time. So the occurrences is not unique. So we have to return false. So this is the question. We have given the array. We have to return the boolean if occurrences are unique or not. So these are the details. We have given the length of array. So the n will belongs to 10 to the power 3. So that is the constraints. Array will belongs to minus 100,000 to 1000. Okay. So we don't need much time complexity, but we can solve this in O1, I think, ON, right? So let's start with the native approach. What we can do. There is, I think, a no native approach. I mean, if you want to create something, that is a different thing, but we can directly solve it in an optimized way, right? So first of all, we need to store the frequencies of the every digit, right? So we will store the frequency in a frequency table. So we have to use HashMap for that. HashMap, I think you are aware of a HashMap. If you want me to explain HashMap in a very depth, how it is working, how it can give the result in O1, how the searching is done in HashMap in O1, right? So that is a very, strong point of HashMap. So if you want me to explain it to you, I can do that. You can ask me in the comment section also. Even if one person wants me to do that, I can do, right? So okay, so we will use HashMap for storing the frequency. Then we will use set, right? So we will use set to check if the frequencies are unique or not. So Again, set is also a similar kind of a structure but work on a different basis. So set can be used to check the uniqueness in the array, right? So if you want, again, if you want me to explain set in a depth, I can do that. Ask me in the comment section. So we will use HashMap for counting the frequency, and we will use set for checking the uniqueness of the occurrence. So let's start with this coding, right? So what I'll do first, make a frequency array. So as there are a large number of large number of element which can be present, so we will make a hash map. Otherwise we can also make a frequency array, right? So but that will be of no use because the frequency is, so the number are in the large quantity. So also we will make a set as equals to set. So for I in ARR, we are iterating a frequency of if. So we will check if I is present in frequency, if I in frequency, if I is present in frequency. If I not present in frequency, we will make the frequency of I initiate. We will initiate the frequency of I, and then we will make frequency of I. We will increase the frequency of I, right? So this will help us to this will make the solution optimized by the space, right? Because this is all the needed frequencies are getting stored, and unnecessary frequency is not getting stored. So yeah, then what we'll do, we have stored all the frequency by using this loop. Now we have to check the frequencies are unique or not, so we can use set for that. So for k in frequency, right? Or I can say x, for x in frequency. So I think temp, or I think f is frequency of x, right? So if frequency in set, if frequency is present in s, we will return false because the frequency is getting repeated. Otherwise what we'll do, we will s dot add, we will add the frequency in this set, and if the loop is getting completed, that means no frequency is getting repeated, all frequencies are unique. That's what we need. So we will return true. So let's run this and check if it is, yeah, so it is acceptable solution. Sorry, submit this, and yeah, it is getting submitted in 100% time. So yeah guys, that's all from my side in this video. Yeah, I suggest you again for joining the WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp group. That will be beneficial for all. If the community will grow, everyone will grow. So that is the motive of that community. Again, I suggest you to go through all the previous videos of LeetCode 75 as well as LeetCode problem of the day series. I will share the link in the description box. If you have any suggestions for me, if you need to share something, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section or in the group. I will love to like solve any doubts, right? I will love to help you. So if you are preparing for I mean your placements, I can help you in somehow, whatever I can do, like I will do that. I will also help you with the mock interviews, right? So if you want me to do that, you can ask me directly, no need to hesitate. So that's all guys from my side. Thank you, have a nice day.